I just had a vision that this lockdown thing never goes away. And this right now is the first steps in the beginning of Ambolli's chicken farm.
Ambolist!
Ambolist!
Oh, the hammock's in the reflection space.
It is. I went arse over tit straight into the stingers. I reflected that for a bit.
On camera, I hope.
No, funny enough. I did my usual thing of, oh yeah, I forgot to put the camera out. I'm so glad of it that time.
You don't get in a hammock like that.
Oh, bloody idiot. I've actually had a comment about that. You're sitting in it wrong. You go diagonal, so you sit flat. So we want to make this the coupe area, don't we? Well, peel this back. Coupe here with a gap. Board that. Legs will roll back, drop in. So you shouldn't be able to get to them.
Oh yeah!
Killing my batteries with jigsaw. Probably do getting them logs out. What is good? Ambolist!
Ambolist! So shit. It's all good. Okay, right. So, I reckon Apex is a win.
Think.
Yeah.
It's got to be. They don't like getting wet when they're roosting. So that's got to be covered. Thinking something like that. A little catch down here. Block that down and then just have a little door. Oh no, we will. Yeah, have a little door and we can still pull the shit out. And then you just scoop up there like that. I reckon that's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, get away with
1, 2, 3. Just about get away with that. This is working out alright. What do you want to make the...
I think so, yeah. And we've got to need the edges as well. Probably do that with something else.
Yeah.
I think that because... Well, yeah, because then the rain will run off it.
Yeah, that's an important one.
Visualize the board.
Love it. Divot out that one. Cut that one down. Oh, not again. One screw, where have you gone? Oh, look at that.
With the moss as well.
Muy perfecto.
Oh, I think I shit myself. Absolutely winning.
That is. Oh, it's turned out better than I thought. Sick.
Started off life as a rabbit hutch, and now it's a bloody chicken brothel.
Poulet boudoir?
Right folks, so there we go. One chicken hutch pretty much built. We're still going to build like an outdoor run for them as well. But we'll obviously, once they're trained to come back for food, we'll let them roam around. Yeah, the weather's just turned. We were going to make another stew, but it's gone a bit blowy, so I'm just out here at the minute double roping all the guy lines for the awning. Hopefully it don't blow away. Alright folks, I'm going to call it there I think. Yeah, turned in early tonight, so I'm going to chill for the rest of the evening, just had some dinner, and now we're going to play a bit of the old PlayStation for a while. Yeah, appropriate game to be playing right now. Alright, I'll see you all tomorrow folks. Catch you in a bit.